This is the carbon part and it's all burned. Plus the carbon is no shiny anymore. And this part, well, you will see it better, but it used to be nice black matte. If I have to really honestly tell you, would I be willing to go down the same road and do all of this again? Hi guys, this is Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger, and today the story about Akrapovic Restoration continues. Finally, after 2 episodes where I have basically show you how to clean and you know, repair the carbon part. In second part, I was, you know, doing this black coating and restoration of the metal parts. Finally, it's about time to put everything together and to show you the final outcome. This part looks absolutely amazing. Of course, there are some scratches, and because I was really using it super heavy, but it looks amazing. So first thing, I will put it on a bike and run the engine because the coating that I have applied requires application of the heat. So we need to really give it a proper heat so the coating will have a long-lasting effect. Now, before I will put everything together, if I have to really honestly tell you, would I be willing to go down the same road and do all of this again? Probably I will tell you no. I mean, this metal part was all fun. I can go the same direction again, and I think this really improves the look. With the carbon, it was super tough, and I will be probably not doing it the same way. I will keep it on the exhaust, do the black part, and then try to just simply clean it a little and then stick it there, because even my body was having trouble to fix it.
The 1500 grit, which looks promising for
it's just difficult. And the third reason, but those that they are my Patreons on my YouTube channel, MartinTheVlogger Patreons, and you have access to the sneak peeks, you know what's my next upgrades and what's the super crazy thing that I'm doing with the exhaust now. So that's a different story why I would not really go to the same direction, same road, and repair this Akrapovic. But that's a different story, and in case you would like to know more before I will really publish publicly these videos, what I'm working on, go to the MartinTheVlogger, click join and become my Patreon. Now, enough, and let's put it together. So guys, what an exhausting project this was. 3 videos, probably like 2 months to put everything together. Am I 100% happy? I'm sorry to say, but no. Maybe like 87. The pipes all great. This carbon part okay. Something I damaged, something was already not repairable. This part is not really nice. The badge, I will fix it, but tomorrow we are leaving to the rep studio, so I don't have time for that, so the badge is gonna be fixed. Black matte, all nice. Hopefully it will be, you know, all good. And this one as well, decent work. But without trying, I would never know what kind of hard project it can be, what what kind of skills you need really to refurbish things and refurbish the Akrapovic exhaust. What's the next project about? And it's a super crazy project, so stay tuned, definitely. And in case you like what I do, hit the subscribe button and have the notifications on, because winter is almost over, but not my projects and upgrades. So thank you very much for watching, and remember, be careful when you restore your Akrapovic exhaust, and always have fun.